Alright, in this video I am going to attempt to show you Minecraft classroom mode. We had a variety of tech issues yesterday, and I think I have it working again, and hopefully this will give you a demonstration of what that looks like. So first thing, I have Minecraft Education Edition open, and then I have Minecraft classroom mode open. So I'm going to log in with my old Dominion account into Minecraft, and now I'm going to open the classroom mode, which I also have to sign into. Alright, so now that I am logged into classroom mode, it says please enter the following command in Minecraft. This is a text command that is going to connect to the server. So I'm going to hit this copy icon, go back into Minecraft. I'm just going to hit create new. This will work if one that you are creating from scratch or it's one that you have already used in the past. So it doesn't matter, just go ahead and load any Minecraft world that you want to test. It'll take a couple of seconds to build the terrain, get those materials together. And once you are in the Minecraft environment, if you hit the enter button, it brings up a chat and commands window. So I'm going to go here, I'm going to paste the command from the Minecraft classroom mode, and then hit this. And now you can see that it says connection established to server, kind of there at the top. The controls are kind of covering that, but there you go. Connection established to server. So now, when I'm in classroom mode, this tells me who is in the world with me. And this is useful, so if you have a classroom of students that are in here, you can see everyone that is in. And they connect to the environment in the same way that we looked at yesterday. So when I am here, I can hit start hosting. So again, I'm going to back up real fast. So when I'm in Minecraft, if I hit the escape button, and then I hit the icon with the 4 character heads, and then I hit start hosting, I'll hit confirm. And it generates a join code. And you can change the join code if you think maybe that one's too confusing. You can change it, or you can hit the share link, copy that, and you could put that in the Blackboard, share it in the Zoom chat, post it in your schedule, whatever is easiest. So there's 2 ways of joining. One is with the join code that we looked at yesterday, and with the share link. So after students were to go into the environment, their name would show up here on the roster. So there's a variety of things that you can do in here. You can pause the game for all players. So if you notice that your students are kind of wandering all around and you're trying to deliver instruction, you can just toggle this and say, I'm pausing the game. You can disable chat. This came up in class during our conversations about trying to manage the chat of other people in the world. You can make it perfect weather. So in Minecraft, sometimes it will storm, it can get dark and hard to see and navigate, and you can just make perfect weather so it's easier to work in. You can allow mobs, which are the enemies. So if you want people to interact with enemies that might damage structures or damage the players themselves, you can turn that on. You can turn on explosives, you can turn on health. You can turn on the ability to prevent world modification. So we mentioned in class about maybe you don't want learners to destroy different assets. So if you turn this on, it will prevent people from breaking what you have constructed. And then also there is the ability to turn off allowing players to damage one another. Like if I were to accidentally punch a different player while trying to mine something, it won't do damage to them. So this gives you a little bit of control into the Minecraft environment. I can send chats to everyone, and it will make sure it goes to the entire world. This is especially useful if you have chat disabled and you want to give a message to everyone who is actually in your Minecraft environment. So this is a quick presentation of classroom mode. You do not need to use classroom mode for anything else in the semester. It was purely to show it and demonstrate you the features. And since it did not work in class yesterday, I wanted to just prepare this video. When you are creating your own Minecraft environments, you're going to be in there collaborating with you and your fellow classmates. You won't be bringing us all in at any point, so you don't have to worry about turning off destructibles or anything. And the final presentation, when you show the class what you all made in your groups, is going to be a guided tour where you load into the environment and screen share and walk us through everything. So classroom mode, if it did not work for you, do not worry about it. You do not need to use it at any point in the rest of the semester. So hopefully this is helpful, and thanks for watching.